Don't you dare say that I wanted everything to fall apart when it's haunting me.
Hello! Buenos dias! Welcome to another Junn and Jenny World episode. For today, we're going to do some Thai fried chicken na napakasimple po, napakasarap, promise. So for our ingredients, we would need some pepper, soy sauce, fish sauce, garlic, coriander stems, and a little bit of sugar. Of course, we must not forget the main ingredient po, yung chicken. You can use some chicken legs, chicken thighs, or chicken wings po ang the best para simot sarap po sa huli. So, we will just grind all these things together and mix with the liquid ingredients. Tapos, hahaluin and ibubuhos po sa chicken to make a marinade. So, eto po. Enjoy! So, while the chicken is marinating, Junn and I decided to watch a movie. As you can see po, the scene here during Sunday morning, napaka-quiet, walang tao, pati po yung mga puno walang dahon since it's winter time. This is my first time to watch a movie here in our cinema dito sa city. Join us po as we explore our Odeon Cinema here in Salisbury. Buenos dias! Ayan, natapos po ako manood ng Avatar. Too late, pero ang ganda pala ang cozy ng aming sinehan dito sa Salisbury. Ayan po, papakita ko sa inyo, ha?
Ginagawa pa ng mga opera native.
Imagine 1470.
Hours later.
Hiya! We're back at home at ito po, we are continuing the process of making the best homemade fried chicken. Binubuhos lang ni Junn yung cake flour sa marinade and then minix niya po ito, and one of the secret tip here is to make the oil as hot as possible. 180 degrees Celsius po, as much as possible, ideally. Tapos, habang piniprito po ito, make sure na ganun po siya kainit. Pero hindi natin maiwasan na it goes down to 160 sometimes dahil malamig po yung chicken. So, ganun lang po, i-fry po ito ng matagal over low to medium heat dahil mainit na nga naman po yung ating oil. So, basta po, i-maintain lang yung ating heat. So, until next time po, I hope you enjoyed our process of making the best homemade fried chicken. Ayan, kainan na. Hope you enjoy po this video. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching. Ciao!